Every few years, the same headline appears. This technology will take your job. They said it about the loom, about the assembly line, about the ATM, about the internet, and every single time, they were half right. Yes, some jobs disappeared, but new ones emerged that nobody had imagined. The question was never whether technology changes work. It always has. The question is, how do you position yourself in that change? AI is no different. Right now, AI is automating tasks, not jobs. The radiologist who uses AI to flag anomalies doesn't lose their role. They become more accurate, more efficient, more valuable. The musician who uses AI to explore new sounds doesn't stop being an artist. They expand what art can be. The jobs that are genuinely at risk, they were already fragile, repetitive, rules-based, zero-judgment work. AI is accelerating an evolution that was already underway. What's growing? Roles that require creativity, empathy, ethical judgment, oversight, collaboration with the very systems people fear. So no, AI is not here to replace you. But someone who knows how to work with AI? They might. The choice isn't between humans and machines. It's between adapting and waiting to be left behind.